I asked you to write down a question, right?
Yeah. You want me to begin with the first question?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how can I feel the most possible highest excitement every moment?
I love that. I love that question. That's my favorite question.
I want to be in a non-stop
anyone
ecstasy,
ever asked. That's my favorite question anyone ever asked on my channel.
You.
And I'm able to answer it to you in the most amazing way.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So Bashar already gave you the formula, right? Now, it's important to practice it. So your question is how to possibly follow your highest excitement every moment, right? But the formula is not only following your highest excitement, it's also doing it without insistence on the outcome, right? Because if you have insistence on the outcome, you don't get all the way to the high vibration, because half of your mind is on the outcome and you distract yourself a little bit from the joy, because you can only feel the joy when you are in the moment. Do you understand?
Okay, say it again, the last sentence.
Okay, so you can only read. Okay, I'm gonna answer you first why you want to follow your highest excitement. Okay, you want to follow your highest excitement because you're raising your vibration. The most important thing in life is to raise your vibration. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because that's how you express your light the most.
Yeah.
That's how you express your light, and that's how you get on a different frequency where if you're on that different frequency, you will attract new, amazing life experience in your life. You will have the most exciting life. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you want to do it. That's important to know. Now, how to do it, the first important thing is that you trust yourself. You trust your intuition, okay? Trust your intuition that you know what feels a little bit more exciting than another tool. So
yeah,
I'm going to give you the formula in an easy way. Every moment, right? Every moment of your life, you have the possibility to do an infinite amount of things in your life, right?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to make it easy. I'll give you an example. Let's say the infinite amount right now is 10 choices, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And 10 choices are, you can go to the beach, you can go to a bookstore, you can call a friend, you can listen to your favorite song, you can ride the bicycle, you can hug a palm tree, you can look at the sky, you can drive a police car, or you can hug a stone statue, okay? Let's say you have those choices. And you feel in your intuition, you look at the choices and you're like, what am I most excited about? And also you're supposed to be able to do the thing. Because let's say you want to go to the moon. Right now, I don't know if Tesla, Elon Musk is going to help you out get there, okay? Let's say from all these choices, your highest excitement is to go to the beach.
Yeah.
But your mind is telling you, the beach is too far and I have to do homework or whatever. It doesn't matter. Your life will improve. Just go. Just go. Just do the action. Go to the beach. And your highest excitement, the higher mind is guiding you, right? It's really the higher mind that's guiding you. Because the higher mind is looking at your life and can see the whole value. It can see your life and it can see, oh, this is where you want to go. You want to meet that person right there.
It's pretty strange that we keep running into each other.
It is strange. Maybe it means something.
I doubt it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Where's my car?
You want to have your acting career right here. You want to live in this place right there. And the higher mind knows, and it gives you that intuition of, oh, I want to go to the beach. And it might not even lead you all the way to the beach. Maybe on the way, you stop at a restaurant, you go inside because your highest excitement was suddenly, oh, I'm hungry. I love this restaurant. I want to go in there. So you go in this restaurant, you're at the bar, and there's this bartender. It's a woman. And she's like, oh, man, I'm so excited. Tomorrow I have this audition for the Fast and Furious. It's an open call. And you are like, oh, my God, I'm an actress, too. I want to go to that audition. How can I go? And she's like, oh, this is the address. And you go the next day, and the producer and the director is on the room, and you are exactly the person they were looking for, and you are in the movie or the Fast and the Furious. If acting is your passion, now the higher mind already knows what your passions are, right? This was a simplistic example. It can happen in one time going. You can have this amazing experience, but the point really is to raise your vibration. The point of it all is to raise your vibration. So maybe you go to the beach, right? Maybe you go to the beach and you take this amazing walk on the beach, and you see the water, you see the ocean, you see the boats, you see the dolphins, and your vibration goes higher. Your vibration goes higher and higher and higher and higher. And suddenly, this is another thing that the higher mind can do. Because your channels are so open, you get an inspiration. You like, oh, I really want to take improv classes. So you look for improv classes, and then eventually you go to this improv class and you meet this teacher that gets you a connection that gets you in a movie. Do you understand? So this is a way. There's an infinite amount of ways that the higher mind can take you to where you want to go. But the paradox is to not think about where it's going to end up, but to enjoy the moment. So, and that's what a lot of people don't get. They don't do it they don't walk on the beach for the sake, oh my God, it's so amazing. They walk on the beach because they're like, if I walk on the beach, I'm going to get my soulmate.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah. And can I say something? You can't even enjoy the moment of doing something if you always focused on a certain outcome, right?
Exactly. It's very simple, and it's what I love about Bashar, it's very action oriented. What I want you to know, because this is what I'm doing, you will feel, it's almost like you don't have to get there. Like you get the highest excitement, but sometimes it doesn't even feel like excitement. Sometimes it just feels better. It just feels better. So sometimes I'm at home and I realize I want some fresh air. I want to go outside. I want to go to the beach. And just you going outside will raise your vibration, because you feel the air, you feel the leaves, you see the colors, you see the palm trees, you see everything. Just you go will. And look, this is major, because raising your vibration a little bit will get you to a new frequency where you already receive new excitements. Maybe you go outside and you're like, man, I really want to go to hiking. I really want to go to the Running Canyon. And then you go and you meet a person, a friend of your life. Do you understand?
Yeah, totally. Okay. And that brings me to another question. Let's say I wrote it down like this. Which option do I first act on if A does excite me more, and B, I have a greater ability to act on? You know, like option A is exciting me more, but option B, I would have a better ability to act on immediately.
Then ask yourself the question, even though I have more capability to act on that, am I still more excited to act on the other thing? So whatever you're more excited, it doesn't matter if it's more, if you're actually doing the thing. Even if you have less capability, if you have a little capability and it's more exciting than the one with a lot of capability, you go for the one that excites you. And this is what Bashar says too. Now listen, you can't do it wrong. Here's why. Even if you would make the wrong choice, let's say you go with the one with the highest capability, but you really want to do the other one. Yeah. By synchronicity, do you know what synchronicity means?
Yeah.
By synchronicity, doing the other thing, you will be told that that is not the right thing, and you will go to the other thing. One of the best teachings Bashar gives is life is meaningless. You give it the meaning, and the meaning you give it will give you the outcome that you want. So if you today I had something happening where I was like, why, and now I'm like, I'll give this positive meaning. And by giving it positive meaning, I had this most amazing thing. It was amazing. And I know that giving something positive meaning balances everything out. It's the great balancer. So, and here's the thing, even if you don't know the positive meaning, and this is really detailed, and if you can get this, you will have so much success. Even if you don't have the positive meaning, you say, I don't know what the positive meaning is here, but I know it has a positive meaning and I can't see it. My higher mind can see it, but I trust my higher mind and I know that giving it a positive meaning feels good. So I'm going to give it a positive meaning. I give it all of it a positive meaning. If you do that, you will have the most amazing life.
That's nice. That's nice.
Now, did those answers excite you?
Yeah, totally. I love it. Well, even more than another one.
I love that.
Super nice. And I'm so excited that I finally get
clarity.
That I finally get to a person, right, that really has also experience, because you are excited the same about the topic like me, but you have just more consciousness about it.
Well, we all have the same consciousness. It's just we all have the same light. It's just as much you open the channel. And my channel is really open because I practice it. I practice it every day. It's my favorite thing. It's all I want to do. I all follow my excitement. Following my excitement is the basis of everything I do. It's the basis of my life. And it makes everything amazing. It's the most beautiful formula. It's the most beautiful way to live your life. And it's almost not even a formula because it's so intuitive. It's like an art. It's an art. You know, you figure it out. You intuitively see what colors you want to use on your canvas.
Yeah.